Okay, Cal, tell us about your hand.
Well, if you see these things that are here, you push on this, and it opens this. It pushes the thumbs down. So if you see the black one, you push down it and push this one down. And the middle one goes down and push this one down. It's because of the connected thing. It's connected, so it's on the top. It's actually connected, so the water goes through here to push it. And if you want to notice, you have to, this thing will push it down if you push it down. If you leave it up, it will stay up. So that's what you need to know.
What makes it stay up?
Well, if what makes it stay up is if you let go and don't push it down. If you push it down, it does not stay up. But if you don't pop this thing in, then how is it? It won't work. And if you don't pop those thingies out of here, then they won't work.
These small thingies? Now let's go over this.
Those water.
This is a spring that makes it pop back.
The spring needs to pop
And
back.
the water in the pipes are hydraulics.
Yeah.
When you squeeze one,
yeah,
what happens?
they work. It's just like they work because this thing is connected to it. It's connected to this, which is also powered with this. So it should control it.
I think it's just
like
powered
that.
by you, Cal.
Yeah.
You're the power source.
Yeah. So I am the power source. 'Cause I can push